Good day everyone, I'm Eliza Medel Rosario from BSHM2A and this is one of our complaints to our subject which is supply chain management. And for today's video, I would like to share my reflection in chapter 6, Supply Chain Management Strategy. Supply chain management is divided into three layers, strategic, tactical, and operational. First strategy is product development, when product cycles mature and product sales drop. Management may make business choice to produce the launch dissertations of existing goods, rationalize the current product portfolio, or develop a broad range of products and service. And the second is customers. An organization most recognized clients for its goods and service at the strategic stage, as a company's management takes business choice on the goods to produce they most, therefore determine the main consumer groups to on their promotions and advertisement will to directed. And the third is manufacturing. Manufacturing decision at the strategic level determine the appropriate manufacturing facilities and technologies. Business managers must take rational choices on how goods can be made based on high-level forecasting and revenue predictions. And purpose is suppliers and the company's management must settle on strategic supply chain plans for vendors, reducing a company buying spend will directly lead to a raise in earnings, and there are a variety of financial choices that can be taken to accomplish that outcome. And the five is logistics. The logistics feature is vital to the supply chain's performance. Order delivery is a vital aspect of the supply chain. The business leaders must make important choice on the distribution network. And this is the development of supply chain strategy. First is customer requirements. Second is internal capabilities. Third is supply chain trends. And fourth is competitive analysis. Five is supply chain technology. Six is risk assessment in supply chain. Seven is new supply chain capabilities. Eight is supply chain organization people and performance indicators. 9 is business case and buy-in. 10 is supply chain strategy execution. And that's it for today's. See you in my next reflection about supply chain chapter 7.